model, 67-plate Vauxhall Movano L3h1 F3500 Cdti low loader Luton box, van spares or repairs. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 161342. MOT, the 3rd of September 2025. Engine, 2298 cc 2.3130 PS Cdti E6B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox is crunchy in first and second, but the van is still more than drivable. Check engine light on the dash for MAF sensor. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, aircon, cruise control, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999